Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Sandra, and I'm here before you today live on my YouTube channel called the RoyalQ University channel, bringing you the latest headlines with reference to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the cheapest of all coins out there, the number one coin in crypto space, market capitalization 2.2 billion. There has been plentiful drama. It's had its ups and downs. It has impacted the market. Before I divulge anymore, just one or two little pieces of administration. Of course, as I did earlier, welcome you to my channel called the RoyalQ University channel, a channel that is dedicated to all things crypto, all things forex, all things trading. We are dedicated to the business of helping you make money. We are dedicated to the business of helping you make multiple streams of income. Ladies and gentlemen, my YouTube channel is especially dedicated to all types of people that exist in the trading fraternity. Whether it is you trade crypto, whether it is you trade forex, whether it is you trade indices, whether it is you do spot trading, whether it is you do ETF trading, whether it is you do futures trading, whether it is you do AI robots. And that's why the channel is called RoyalQ, because of the RoyalQ robot. One of my many multiple streams of income is the RoyalQ robot. It's a robot that's designed to make you money even in your sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm an extremely busy woman, but no matter how busy I am, I still have the chance for at least 10 streams of income, one of which is my RoyalQ Royal Quantitative Robot. That robot makes money for you 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week. I just want to bring up my channel. I would like to introduce you guys to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take a look at my channel. My channel, of course, I'm going to recommend you to it because I have an enormous amount of fantastic content that is waiting for you to take a look at it. All things forex, crypto, AI bots, indices, HFX, we do it all here. I teach, I train, I coach, I show you how to. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take the time, subscribe to my channel. Oh, we've breached the 300 mark. That's very good. I only started this channel very recently, actually, but it's become quite successful, and I hope it becomes much more spectacularly successful. I know it will be. So up to date, I have how many videos? About 40 videos are here. 40 to 50 videos, and it's all there's an assortment of topics. I encourage you to subscribe. I encourage you to watch my videos. Today's video is all about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency coin out there. What makes it special is because, as you can see, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market follows. I'm drawing your attention to the right side of the screen. You can see that the market is red. The Grim Reaper is out there. There is blood on the streets of crypto. The streets of crypto are screaming blood. There is not many coins that are green. Holistically, about 98 to 99% of the market is red. Why is it so? Why? Because everybody is following the lead of Bitcoin. That is the latest position. Today is Monday, the 11th of April. And guys, there has been a systematic bearish dumping of Bitcoin. As I speak to you, the price for Bitcoin is in the 39,800 range. The last time that I did this analysis, I did point out to people that the drama for Bitcoin had taken quite a few peaks and dips. There was an all-time high that was arrived at as the 29th of April. Bitcoin hit $48,000. it hit $48,000. There was an ascending channel that had precipitated that, and the apex of that ascension was $48,000. The market was happy. Altcoins started pumping. There was euphoria in the market. And where Bitcoin goes, quite a lot of the coins follow. The interoperability coins follow, IoT coins follow, meme coins follow, altcoins follow, protocol coins follow, utility coins follow. But what we now have is that subsequent to all of that, Bitcoin has been dipping and dumping. And so the question now is, how long will this continue? When will Bitcoin stop this dumping and go the way that the market wants it to go? When will Bitcoin stop dumping and take a move up? When will there be a move to the upside? People are worried. And they should be, because their investments are, implicated. If Bitcoin goes up, investments are implicated. If Bitcoin goes down, investments are implicated. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are today. And as at the last time that I did this analysis, when I fibbed Bitcoin, guys, my fib analysis pointed out to me that as far as Bitcoin was concerned, it had dipped past the 78.6% range. As we are talking, Bitcoin is on its 39,747. Bitcoin is fast approaching the 88.6% range on the Bitcoin, on the fibs. Ladies and gentlemen, now I have Bitcoin at 88.6% retracement, which will be 38,551. We're not far from that. Bitcoin is currently 39,814. I project 38,551. This is the 1 hour chart. If we go to the 4 hour chart, we can see that certainly that dipping in the market continues to be emphasized, and we can even see it in a better picture. We can see it in a better picture. We can see the bearish tendencies, the bearish engulfing candles. Quite dramatic since yesterday, the 10th of April, since 8 p.m. There have been long bearish candles, and ladies and gentlemen, the market got worried. People were worried, and nobody seemed to know what was going on, because for quite a while, the 50% retracement range seemed to be holding Bitcoin in check. For a while, it was there. Were we to take a look at the day range, Bitcoin floated in that range for about 2 days. For about 2 days, 2 days and 16 hours, almost 3 days, Bitcoin consolidated. But subsequent to that consolidation, there has been a dip in the market. And we can see that Bitcoin has dipped beyond that consolidation. There was an attempt at ascending candle going up. But subsequent to that, long bearish candles coming down, to mean that people are now looking. I mean, this was supposed to be April. This is supposed to be April, right? This is supposed to be when we were in the middle of the bull run. Ladies and gentlemen, this doesn't look like a bull run to me. Is there evidence of where we are going? There's evidence, I would say. For me, the market looks to be headed to the 86.6% range, which is where Bitcoin, as I said earlier, would be 38,551. But there is a saying in crypto: if whatever you do, look left. Whatever you do, look left. Whatever you do, look left. And Bitcoin has very similar characteristics to the drama that has played out before. These fractals here, look. These fractals here, and this shape and this dynamism of the Bitcoin chart looks very similar to what we have to what we are having now. What do I mean? Let me explain. Guys, when you take a closer look at Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin has had all sorts of moves. There was an increment, there was channeling, there was another increment where it reached its apex. Let's understand what's happened here. There was an increment, there was an ascending channel move, took us to the point where Bitcoin attained this apex. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch the screen very carefully. I want you to watch the screen very carefully. At the time that Bitcoin peaked at 46,186, it came down the apex, peaked again, and carried on aggressively, bearishly coming down. The same thing follows. If you look at this, it's coming down. There was an attempt at upsiding again, but subsequent to that, unmistakably, the bearish market kept coming down. Now, when we look at the scenario in terms of retracement, Bitcoin had retraced up until the 886 level. 886 took it to the 34,487 thereabout range. If we look at the fib currently on Bitcoin, 886 is what we are approaching. Let me remove all of these marks so you can see what I mean. The 886 is what we are approaching, and approaching very, very quickly. 886 is 38,551. We've gone past the 786, 78.6%. I feel certain that we are within $738 pips of 738 pips off the 886 zone. Thereafter, I project that as soon as we hit the 886 zone, the only way surely would be up for Bitcoin. We're looking at that, and the market would pick up subsequently. So guys, we can see that, whatever is happening now is not something that hasn't happened before. Bitcoin has undergone this journey previously, and Bitcoin is revisiting, that fractal shape and that fractal type relationship all over again. I don't want you to fear. I don't want you to despair. The market has seen this move several times before. The bull run is still coming. There is still good news coming, I do believe. I want you to keep an eye, set an alert for the 886 zone. As I mentioned to you earlier, for me, according to this screen, using the Coinbase Bitcoin map on TradingView, 886 is 38,551. So basically, what am I saying? Keep an eye on this price. Keep an eye on this price. Keep an eye on this level. Keep an eye on this level. The only way is up, surely. And why I am motivated to really believe that point of view is when you look left, you can see that there is an order block. There are order blocks that are to be filled in the 886 zone. There are order blocks that I believe Bitcoin wants to come down and fill. There are order blocks that I believe Bitcoin wants to come down and fill. Order blocks in the 886 zone. I believe that Bitcoin wants to come and fill these order blocks. Ladies and gentlemen, when you also look at it in terms of support and resistance, this is a support zone here. There's a support zone here by the 886 zone that I believe Bitcoin will come down to in order to be able to fill those order blocks. So ladies, there's order blocks on the 786 zone. You can see it here. There's order blocks on the 786 zone. Look at that. But as we are speaking, because the chart has gone past the 786 zone, I feel that Bitcoin will come and test the 886 range. That is where I believe that even the MACD will give us credence, and we too shall very soon, we shall begin to see where's that shape? Very soon we shall begin to see, bear with me. We shall begin to see MACD go up, signal line goes up, and we shall see MACD confirming that Bitcoin is coming back up. We're going to start to see some sort of upside activity. In terms of the relative strength index, that's it, RSI. If you look at RSI, we can see that RSI has Bitcoin showing as oversold, overbought rather, over demanded, so overbought. Bitcoin is at the overbought range, 23 point, it's showing me an overbought range of 23.66. So ladies and gentlemen, clearly Bitcoin is overbought and it's still retesting. We're still in the dip. The dip is still continuing. I believe it's going to come down to 38,551. This is my analysis on Bitcoin. I hope you have enjoyed this. My name is Dr. Sandra. I am a crypto FX consultant and trader. I have my channel called RoyalQ University. I want you to connect to me. I want you to be my friend on YouTube. I want you to follow me. I want you to get ready for fantastic content. If you have enjoyed this, if you want to learn how to read the markets, how to understand the market, and how to do technical analysis for Forex and crypto, by all means, reach out to me so I can begin to send you links and news and let you know news of how it is you can join this train. The bull run is coming. We're not going to miss it. We are not going to miss it. We have enough tools and enough analysis prowess to make sure we don't miss it. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you do too. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Once again, my name is Dr. Sandra. I'm going to bid you farewell for now. I thank you for your time this evening, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Remember to subscribe and join